I used to spend many dollars every year on fertilizers, trying to fix my yellowing leaf problems on my plants. Then I discovered a $2 tool that changed everything. My garden has never been so productive, my plants have never been healthier, and my wallet has never been so happy.
This is part 3 of our tomato leaf diagnostic series. In part 1, we learn the location question that narrows down every problem. In part 2, we cover the diseases that can kill your plants. Today, we're solving the mysteries that even stump experienced gardeners and saving you a fortune in the process. This little pH test kit, which costs a couple of dollars in any garden center, has solved more yellowing leaf problems than all your expensive fertilizers combined. Here's what I discovered. Most of the time, when gardeners think they have a nutrient deficiency, they actually have a nutrient lockout. The food is there, but the plant can't access it because the soil pH is off. Iron gets locked up in alkaline soil. Phosphorus disappears in overly acidic conditions. Your soil could be loaded with nutrients, but if the pH is off, your plants are starving in the middle of a feast. But let's say your pH is perfect and your plant really is hungry. The cool thing is, plants have developed this incredibly specific language for telling you exactly what they need. Nitrogen deficiency is like your plant saying, "I'm so hungry I'm eating myself." It starts with uniform yellowing on the oldest leaves and works its way up. The plant literally cannibalizes its old leaves to feed the new growth. Potassium deficiency has this distinctive signature, yellowing and browning that starts at the leaf edges and works inward. You'll also notice poor fruit development and flowers that fall off. Now here's where it gets really clear. Magnesium deficiency creates this pattern called interveinal chlorosis on older leaves. The veins stay green, but everything between them turns yellow. It looks like a leaf skeleton. Iron deficiency creates almost the same pattern, but this is crucial. It shows up on the youngest leaves first. Same look, totally different cause, completely different solution. Here's an example. Let's say you had plants showing classic iron deficiency, yellow leaves with green veins, but only on the new growth. Your first instinct may have been to buy iron fertilizer. But you then tested the pH first and it showed 7.8, which you learned was way too alkaline for tomatoes. Instead of buying fertilizer, you lowered the pH with some sulfur and within 2 weeks the yellowing stopped. Total cost, a few bucks for sulfur. If you had gone the fertilizer route, you would be buying iron supplements all season long, probably spending $30 to $50 and never actually solving the problem. Let me show you one more often seen example, blossom end rot. You know, that black sunken spot on the bottom of your tomatoes. Every garden center will try to sell you calcium supplements for this. But here's the thing, your soil probably has plenty of calcium. The problem isn't supply, it's delivery. Inconsistent watering prevents the plant from moving calcium where it needs to go. Fix your watering schedule and the blossom end rot disappears. No expensive supplements needed. So here's your complete diagnostic toolkit, and it costs less than 1 bag of premium fertilizer, a $2 pH test kit, a $10 soil thermometer, a magnifying glass, and a clean knife for stem tests. With these simple tools and the knowledge from this 3-part series, you can diagnose any yellowing leaf problem in minutes instead of months. The result? Healthier plants, bigger harvests, and a lot more money staying in your pocket instead of going to the fertilizer companies. And that's a wrap on our tomato leaf diagnostic series. We've covered location-based diagnosis, disease identification, and nutrient troubleshooting. You now know more about plant diagnosis than most gardeners learn in years of trial and error.
What's your biggest gardening victory this year? I love to share your successes, so please drop it in the comments. Thanks for joining me today on Almost 2 Acres. If you like my weed-loving, coffee-drinking hippie vibe, please subscribe and bring along your friends. Until next time, let's get growing.